Welcome to the monthly market update on You and Your Money. I'm Jim Zahansky, Principal Managing Partner and Chief Goal Strategist at WHZ Strategic Wealth Advisors.
Give us an update on the market. What's going on, man?
Yeah, I mean, obviously, there's been a lot of volatility. Our belief, generally speaking, is that the U.S. economy and the global economy is sort of transitioning from what was this soft landing approach the Fed was said, which is how do we reduce inflation without putting the global economy into a recession? And it's transitioning into a more of a slower growth economy. What does that mean? Well, growth is measured by gross domestic product, and it's a measurement put out every quarter, and it really measures how the economy can grow. So in the stock market, how can companies grow? Are the conditions right? Are interest rates right? Is borrowing and everything available? And so, our belief is that we're in that transition period now where we'll have a slower growth, and inflation now is seemingly leveling out. And so that's a good thing from a price point of view. But what it really means is, and this is what the markets are watching, is how aggressively will the Federal Reserve and other monetary policy units across the world lower interest rates? And, we've all sort of been waiting for it, right? We're all saying, hey, I'm paying a lot for my mortgage, or my car payment is, I'm buying a new car and the interest rate's 6.5%, 7%. So as the Federal Reserve and other monetary policy bureaus lower interest rates, markets will really like that in general, because then businesses can borrow money at lower rates, and it likely improves their balance sheets and allows them to grow. So we're sort of in that transition period, and some of the data, Gary, that the markets were responding to sort of signaled this transition from, hey, we're not going to damage the economy with this interest rate scenario that the Fed was doing, to, hey, we're going to do slower growth. So unemployment was higher than expected. Housing starts have really started to slow. So those sorts of things the market was responding to. But certainly the road ahead is going to be dependent on how interest rates work and how, in fact, the global economy can stay out of recession. For more information regarding wealth management and customized financial planning with WHZ Strategic Wealth Advisors, please visit WHZwealth.com. WHZ Strategic Wealth Advisors offer securities and advisory services through Commonwealth Financial Network, member FINRA SIPC, a registered investment advisor. Fixed insurance products and services offered through CES Insurance Agency. They practice at 697 Pomfret Street, Pomfret Center, Connecticut 06259, and 392A Merrow Road, Tolland, Connecticut 06084. They can be reached at 860-928-2341. WHZ Strategic Wealth Advisors do not provide legal or tax advice. The tenured financial services team strives to support clients in achieving their financial life goals while providing absolute confidence and unwavering partnership for life.